Website development has undergone rapid changes in recent years. Throughout its evolution, various programming languages have emerged, developed, and disappeared. Nowadays, web developers usually code in PHP and Python. However, technology continues to evolve and new programming languages are constantly emerging. One of the most interesting and advanced young programming languages used for web development is Elixir. In this video, we discuss Elixir, its advantages, disadvantages, and what this programming language with a mystical name has considered for web developers. Elixir is a practical, concurrent, and general-purpose programming language that runs on the Erlang virtual machine. Elixir is built on Erlang and leverages the same abstractions for building distributed and fault-tolerant applications. Elixir else provides a productive toolset and extensive design capabilities. This functional programming language is accompanied by general-purpose performance and, as mentioned, runs on Erlang to enable programming for producing distributed, live, uninterpreted, and error-resistant applications. Additionally, the expansion and enhancement of such capabilities are provided throughout macros and multi-paradigm features via protocols. Elixir is produced from Erlang and utilities the same abstraction for creating distributed and fault-tolerant applications. The program made with Elixir runs on a separate small process framework. Any data is transferred via messaging. As Elixir is built on top of Erlang, it performs tasks that most languages struggle with, such as multitasking. For example, if you have a service that collects data from many other services simultaneously, you can gather all the responses from those services concurrently and quickly respond. Collecting responses sequentially takes much longer. Moreover, Elixir makes web development solutions easier and faster. Being a functional language, Elixir doesn't have classes, only modules with module function exist in its code. Compared to Ruby, Elixir is less abstract and simpler. Elixir forces you to come up with simpler solutions with searching for ways to accomplish tasks. Simple solutions are always better as they offer more places where errors can occur. As a result, you receive products that are easier to inspect and maintain. Additionally, extending, refactoring, and improving products made with Elixir is easier compared to products made with other languages. Concurrency, the ability of multiple processes to execute concurrently, does have a negative impact on program performance independently in many cases. However, this isn't the case with Elixir. Concurrency in Elixir is easier than what is usually expected due to the Erlang VM. The concurrency model of Elixir relies on actors, processes that communicate with other processes through messaging. All this means that applications built using in programming language can handle multiple connections that should work concurrently better than applications built using other programming languages. Elixir is relatively new and offers many opportunities for developers who have a good command of it. With many programming languages, it happens that the capacity of skills is greater than the availability of competitive jobs. This isn't the case with Elixir. This relatively new programming language guarantees good opportunities for developers who have a proficient mastery of it. Top Elixir developers can find great opportunities to work on creative and exciting projects. Also, Elixir programming language has many weaknesses. This young programming language has many advantages and offers potential benefits that are overlooked. Many Elixir developers learn to keep up with the changing technology and advancements. Even experienced Ruby, PHP, Java, and other developers turn to Elixir in many cases. Elixir is a good choice for many projects where understandable syntax, fast performance, high extendability, and error tolerance are of a most importance.